Music. Citizens Bank or C Bank? Which one's right for *U**? This video compares both, helping you choose the best fit for your finances. Check the description for links to both banks. Let's break down their features, target customers, and strengths so you can make an informed choice. Citizens Bank is a full-service bank offering checking, savings, credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, and student loan refinancing. They cater to individuals and small businesses, prioritizing flexibility and accessibility. With a large branch network, mainly in the Northeast, their mobile app offers mobile check deposit, budgeting tools, and bill pay. Small businesses can also access tailored solutions, including business checking, cash management, and merchant processing. C Bank focuses on business banking and wealth management, primarily in Texas, California, and Michigan. They target high-net-worth individuals and businesses. While offering personal banking like checking, savings, loans, and credit cards, C Bank shines in business-oriented services like commercial loans, treasury management, and investments. Their wealth management division provides personalized financial guidance. C Bank's mobile app handles fund transfers, bill pay, and account monitoring, though it may not be as feature-rich as some competitors. Need a versatile bank with great digital tools, diverse services, and accessible branches? Citizens Bank is a solid choice. Prioritizing business banking, wealth management, or specialized financial advice, C Bank might be better. Explore both banks using the links below and find the perfect match for your financial goals.